International drug trafficking operations involve many different types of workers, including growers or manufacturers of the drug, smugglers who bring it into the United States, middlemen who buy it from the smugglers and sell it to the retailers, and various levels of retailers or street-level dealers. Are all such workers part of a single, larger conspiracy, or do such drug trafficking enterprises involve multiple discrete conspiracies? The United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit addressed this issue in United States v. Bruno. Jerry Bruno, working with others, bought heroin and opium from middlemen for resale on the retail level in New York. The drugs had been smuggled into the United States on transatlantic steamships. Along with 87 others, Bruno was indicted by a federal grand jury in New York for participating in a large-scale drug trafficking conspiracy. Some of the defendants pleaded guilty, although others, including Bruno, went to trial. The government's evidence at trial showed that there were 4 subgroups among the conspirators. There were the smugglers who actually imported the drugs, the middlemen who purchased the drugs from the smugglers and resold the drugs to retailers, and 2 groups of retailers, one in New York and a second in Texas and Louisiana. At the end of the prosecution's case, Bruno and his co-defendants moved to dismiss the indictment, alleging that the prosecution's evidence at trial proved 3 distinct conspiracies, while the indictment alleged a single conspiracy. In particular, they contended that there was one conspiracy between the smugglers and middlemen, and 2 separate conspiracies between the middlemen and the New York and Southern retailers. They pointed out that the prosecution's evidence didn't show any cooperation or communication between the smugglers and either group of retailers, or between the 2 groups of retailers. The jury convicted Bruno and several co-defendants of conspiracy, and Bruno was sentenced to prison. Bruno appealed to the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit.